Now I am going to work with the edit user, and in order to work with the edit user, what I will do, so first of all, what I will do is I am now going to work with the edit icon. So let's do that. So in order to work with the edit icon, go to the index. Okay, so I am going to the index. So here this is index, and here you will see if edit. So here I will have to call the route. So I am going to call the route. In my case, the route is admin user edit, and parameter will be the user of ID. Similarly, in the case of delete, it will be here, that is the this is the delete and user ID. Okay, and if you go to the web.php, you will see that there is a delete. So edit function, update function, and delete function, these three functions I will have to work with now. So copy this, and after the store function I am going to paste it, and it is edit. In the case of edit, I will have to call the ID, because I am going to get the user from the users table where ID equal to ID, and using the compact I am going to send the data into the edit page. So first of all is this, and create page was this. So I am going to copy this and paste it into the edit.blade.php. So in this case it will be the edit user. Now this function will be update, and parameter will be user ID, because this function takes parameter. If you go here, you will see that the edit function takes a parameter here, that is the ID. So okay, so it is taking the parameter. So edit.blade, and the photo, it is to change photo, and if there is any existing photo, that will show here. So here I will write existing. So existing photo will be here, and in order to show the existing photo, I am going to apply the trick. If there is any previous photo, then that will be shown, otherwise the default photo will be shown here, and all other things are okay. And here name equal to here existing items will be like this, existing data, user email, here user phone, and after that here it will be user address, user country, user state, here value field will be user city, here GIF, and here I am going to use if user status equal to 0, then selected, if 1 then this selected, if 2 then this one is selected, and lastly it will be the update. So after submission it will come here, and then you will see that in the case of user controller, the next one will be public function update, and request of request ID and ID will be here. I just accept the solution, and let's check it how it looks like. Okay, so now let's check it if the code is correct or not. Here you see the unique of users, the field is email and ID, it is okay. Users phone, and where except the current one, it is okay. So from user table I get the data into the user variable, and if the user wants to change the photo, then only I will check it like this. But here one thing is missing, that is the previous one is unlinked, will be unlinked. So if user photo, so user photo not equal to empty, okay, then I will have to unlink this photo. So what I can do, in the user controller there was a option in the edit profile option, and here this one I am going to copy, and in this section I am going to paste it. If user photo not equal to null, only then I will unlink the photo. So it is okay, and move uploaded file, new photo will be updated, and here user photo equal to final name, and here it will be username equal to name, email, phone, all the data are here. Similarly status, and it is okay. And but here if you want to change the password, because the user if forgets the password, admin can reset it from here, that is also okay. Or if you want, you can just leave it, no problem. So route will be here, or you can okay, index is okay. Now I am going to refresh it. you will see the Ronald, this one I am going to edit his data, but here is no data loaded. Why? Here is what is the problem here. So I am going to close it, and this is the edit, and existing data should be loaded there. So it can be for many reasons. I am going to check it. You see, this is the create file, it will be the edit. So admin user edit, so then edit blade file will call. Now if I go to edit, you see all the data loaded into the box. Now for example, I use 1 here, 2 here, 3 update. You see data updated. If I now go to check the data, you see updated data are already there, this one, and I have updated this one and this one. So update, and if I want to make him inactive and or suspended, you see he is suspended. Suspended function here I can do, that means suspended should be red. So suspended should be red color. So this is suspended, and warning should be here in the case of pending. So let's do that. You see this user is suspended. Okay, and if you want to make him pending, it is possible. Pending, you see this is pending, and if I want to make him active, so this is the active. You see now it is active now. So I hope you have understood, and now I want to change the photo. For example, I want to change this photo by another photo. So let's go to my sample photo section. So here sample photo, profile photo, for example this person. So now if I go to update, you see this person photo is here and saving. If I now want to show you into here, that is the Laravel, and then public, and then uploads, and you see now when the new photo is uploaded, the previous one automatically is removed, unlinked. You see this is the photo for this one, right? This one will automatically be unlinked if I select another one. So update, you see this data has been changed, and if I go here, the previous photo that was here is not here, these two, and lastly this one. So it is not here, that means that is deleted. Now what I will do, I am now going to work with the delete. So here I am going to write, that is public function delete, and in the case of delete it suggests me this. Let's check it. If user, that means if I get user, then if user photo not equal to null, then I will unlink the photo, and user delete means this user will be deleted. Okay, and here I can use another way, that is not user, I can use here, cut it here, and all the data I can cut it from here, and in the bottom I can use in this way. So that means if not user, so this means if not user, so it is okay. If not user means if there is no user found by this ID, then it will immediately take you back. Otherwise it will unlink the previous photo. If the photo not equal to empty, then it will unlink the previous photo, and then from the table it will unlink. That means user delete. So user deleted successfully, so it should work. Now refresh. Now if I delete this user, it is okay. You see that is deleted, but there is no photo. But now this photo will be deleted if I delete this one. Okay, but before deleting this one, I am going to use a fake one, so it is better and active. And here it is going to send the email. Okay, when the email was created, I told you that there should be a valid link, that is clickable link. You see route is okay, route user login is a thing, but here in the case of user it will be something like that. Okay, so now it should work. So again, what is created right now, it is okay. I can check it, this one. So I create another one, delete this one from here, Okay, and now I am going to create another one. So something like this, something like this. So it is okay. So this is just sample data. Sorry, there is no photo yet. Okay, no problem, I will add the photo later. You see here the email is created, and now there is a hyperlink. So if I click here, it will take me here, and you see a separate random password is generated. So it is okay. Now what thing I am going to do, that is I am going to edit the photo from here. So that can be any photo, for example this person, this photo. So I want to delete this person. Okay, you see this person photo is here. So if I now try to delete this one, you see it is deleted, and if I come here, you see that person photo does not exist. So that means the photo has been deleted from the folder also.